In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify StockTake app tutorial. By the end, you'll have the BR StockTake Count Inventory app installed and be ready to start a clean, accurate stocktake. First, open your Shopify admin. If your navigation is collapsed, expand it, then head to the home dashboard so we're all starting from the same place. From the left sidebar, go to Apps. In the search field, type BR StockTake. When you see BR StockTake, Count Inventory appear in the results. Select it to open the app listing. On the listing page, scroll through the highlights to review the overview, key features, pricing, and permissions so you know exactly what you're adding to your store. You can also click through any highlighted sections to see screenshots and support details. Before we install, there's an option to View Demo Store. Open that to get a quick feel for the workflow, then come back to the listing. Now, click Install to add the app. Shopify will redirect you to a permissions screen. Confirm by clicking. Install again to authorize. After a moment, you'll land inside the app. On the Welcome screen, click Start. To begin account, choose Start New Stocktake. You'll notice there's a Stocktake History area. Open that to see where completed or in-progress counts will appear, then close it. There's also a Try Our Other Apps section. Take a quick look so you know where it is, then return to the setup and click Next. In the Stocktake setup, open the Sort menu and select Created, Old to New. If you see it listed twice, choose it again to lock that preference in. Next, pick your count type. Choose Cycle Count if you're counting a subset. For scope, you can select all products at your shop location, or switch to filtered products if you want to narrow it down. Let's apply a filter. Choose Vendor, then open the Vendor selector. Use the highlighted options to pick one or more vendors. You can toggle selections or clear them as needed. Give your stocktake a clear name in the Stocktake Name field so it's easy to find later. If you need to refine, open Vendor again and adjust your choices with the highlighted controls until it's just right. For advanced targeting, you'll see options like Inventory Quantity, Custom Shopify Query, and Selected Products. These let you focus on items by stock levels, build a custom filter, or handpick products. Open each to see where the settings live, then return to your main selection. When everything looks good, click Next to proceed to counting. That's it. You've installed BR StockTake and configured your first stocktake, ready to go.